Xfinity offers several cable box options, like the X1, Xfinity Stream, and Flex. This section provides a quick overview of connecting them to your TV and Wi-Fi for a streamlined setup. The X1 is Comcast's flagship DVR-enabled box with advanced features. Xfinity Flex is a compact streaming device for ad-supported channels. Xfinity Stream works as a virtual cable box app on compatible devices. Connecting involves hardware setup with HDMI cables for TV connection and Wi-Fi integration through Xfinity's Xfi gateway for optimal streaming. Activation is streamlined through the Xfinity app, where you scan a code or enter credentials to unlock DVR and on-demand content. Most Xfinity boxes, especially the Flex, automatically detect available Wi-Fi networks. Ensure your Xfinity Xfi gateway modem router is active. During setup, select your home network and enter your Wi-Fi password. For optimal streaming, Xfinity recommends speeds of 25 to 15. If you experience weak Wi-Fi signals, consider using Xfi pods for a mesh network. First, download the Xfinity app on your smartphone from your app store. Next, power on your cable box and make sure it's connected to your TV using an HDMI cable. Open the Xfinity app and follow the on-screen instructions to start the activation process. You'll see a QR code or 6-digit code on your TV screen. Use the app to scan the QR code or enter the code manually. Log in using your Xfinity account credentials to finalize the activation. The entire activation process usually takes just 5 to 10 minutes. If you encounter problems during activation, such as activation failed messages or signal issues, don't worry. These are common and can be resolved. First, try resetting the cable box through the Xfinity app. This often resolves connection or activation issues quickly. If resetting doesn't work, contact Xfinity support available 24 hours a day for personalized assistance. Once activated successfully, you'll have access to powerful features like DVR recording to save your favorite shows and on-demand content for watching whenever you want. Once your Xfinity cable box is activated, you can access the Xfinity App Store to download popular streaming services. This store offers apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube TV, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content alongside live TV. The Xfinity Stream app turns your smartphone or tablet into a virtual remote and streaming device. Watch live TV and on-demand content without needing a physical cable box, making it perfect for streaming on the go or in different rooms. The Xfinity Voice Remote integrates with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply press the microphone button and speak commands to change channels, search for shows, or control your TV hands-free for a more convenient viewing experience. Set up parental controls through the Xfinity app to filter content and ensure appropriate viewing for children. Access these settings to restrict channels, block specific shows, or set time limits, giving you peace of mind while managing family entertainment. First, secure your Wi-Fi network using WPA3 encryption. This provides maximum security, protecting your connection from unauthorized access and potential cyber threats. Next, keep your Xfinity box software updated. This ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes, and important security patches that protect against vulnerabilities. Third, utilize the Xfinity app to manage your account. It allows you to troubleshoot connectivity issues, monitor your network, and access support resources, all from your smartphone. Consider upgrading to Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 for improved performance. These newer standards offer faster speeds, reduced latency, and better handling of multiple devices, ensuring smoother streaming and gaming. Finally, place your hardware in open areas for optimal connectivity. Avoid walls, furniture, or other obstructions that can weaken Wi-Fi signals, ensuring strong coverage throughout your home. Xfinity is increasingly focusing on hybrid streaming solutions and AI-powered personalization. Expect deeper integration with smart home devices and more AI-driven content recommendations in the future. The trend is moving towards app-based activations and a reduction in reliance on physical cable boxes. Remember to always check Xfinity's website or app for the most up-to-date information.